Hey, what's up everybody? How are you guys doing today? If you're new here, my name's Tobias and welcome to Microphone Mondays, where I upload new microphone reviews and comparison videos every Monday. And in today's video, I'm reviewing a microphone called the SmallRig U60. And by the way guys, the audio that you're hearing right now is coming from the SmallRig U60. It's a USB condenser microphone which SmallRig did send to me for free so that I could do a review of it. And it's no secret that this microphone is designed to be a direct competitor of the Blue Yeti. Now usually we're kind of used to seeing the price of the Blue Yeti going for around $130. However, I checked Amazon and I also checked the Blue website. It looks like the Blue Yeti is now going for around just $100 and the SmallRig U60 is going for $90. So there's only a price difference of $10 between the SmallRig mic and the Blue Yeti. And I'll go ahead and put the Amazon link to the SmallRig U60 down in the description below in case you would like to check that out for yourself, and I'll also go ahead and put the link to the Blue Yeti down in the description below as well. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys a quick unboxing of the SmallRig U60, then I'll talk about it briefly, then I'll do several different audio tests so that we can see how it sounds. I'll even do a quick audio comparison to the Blue Yeti, and in the end, I'll give you my final thoughts and review. And just really quick guys, if you guys do like this video or if it helps you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button, and let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. So as you can see here, we get the microphone itself, a USB cable compatible with both USB Type-C and Type-A, aka the standard USB plug, as well as the user manual and some stickers. If we take a look at the microphone itself, it looks like it's designed after the Blue Yeti. If we take a look at the front of the microphone, we'll see that there are two knobs. The top knob is the microphone gain knob, which will control your input volume, and if you push this button in, it will actually mute the microphone. Below that, there is a volume knob, which controls the volume of your headphones if you choose to plug them into the bottom of the microphone, which will give you direct monitoring. If we turn the microphone around, we'll see that there are 4 different recording patterns, just like the Blue Yeti has, and they are stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid, and bidirectional. And I'll demonstrate all those settings in a minute. So I think that pretty much covers everything, guys. Let's go ahead and move on to our audio tests. I'm going to do several different tests, and feel free to let me know down in the comments below what you think about the sound. First, I'm going to do several different audio tests with the microphone in the cardioid pickup pattern setting, and then after that, I'll go ahead and go through the other settings, and after that, we'll go ahead and do a quick comparison to the Blue Yeti. The first thing I want to do is take a listen to the noise floor, so I'm going to stop talking for a few seconds. Try to see if you can hear any background kind of static or like an underlying hiss noise. And right now I'm tapping on my computer's keyboard directly behind the microphone. Right now I'm tapping on my desk around the microphone. And right now I have my mouth just a few inches away from the microphone. And this is how it sounds when I'm standing roughly 5 feet away from the SmallRig U60. So next, let's go ahead and check out the different recording patterns. Right now, I have the microphone set to the bidirectional setting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up the microphone and I'm going to turn it around. With the bidirectional setting, we should be recording audio from the front and back of the microphone. And it looks like that's exactly what the microphone's doing. And right now I have the microphone set to the omnidirectional setting. It should record audio from all the way around the microphone, and it seems like it is doing just that. Right now I have the SmallRig U60 set to the stereo recording pattern, and I'm just going to pick it up and I'm going to rotate the microphone, and we'll hear how the audio should be panning from one side to the other. I have two tracks recording in Logic Pro, one panned hard left, one panned hard right, and Yeah, so we're picking up audio from the front and the sides. That's exactly how the Blue Yeti records in its stereo recording pattern. And right now I'm recording using the Cardioid pickup pattern. Let's go ahead and see how this sounds compared to the Blue Yeti. And now I'm recording with the Blue Yeti in the Cardioid pickup pattern. Let me know which microphone you guys think sounds better, the SmallRig U60 or the Blue Yeti. So I'm back on the SmallRig U60 and I think I'm ready to give you guys my final review on this microphone. So first of all, when I tried plugging my headphones into the headphone jack on the bottom of the microphone, I feel like the audio that I was monitoring was a bit distorted and just didn't sound that great. I know that's not a huge deal because that does not reflect the audio that you're actually recording. That's just the audio that you're monitoring, but I felt like I should mention that. Another thing is that I felt like this microphone didn't really pick up a lot of the low end, and in my opinion I think it sounded a little crunchy. And actually guys, when it comes down to it, do I think that this microphone sounds better than the Blue Yeti? Honestly, I don't really. I think the Blue Yeti actually does sound better than the SmallRig U60. And of course guys, I'm not a professional businessman, but I'm gonna give you guys my 2 cents anyways. In my opinion, when it comes to a microphone trying to compete directly with the Blue Yeti, I think it either has to be one of two things. One, it either has to be much better than the Blue Yeti, or two, it has to be much less expensive than the Blue Yeti. Considering that there's only a price difference of $10 between these two microphones, in my opinion, yes, it definitely would be worth paying the extra $10 to go with the Blue Yeti. And even if this microphone performed the same as the Blue Yeti, I think people would probably still go with the Blue Yeti just because it's a much more well-known brand. It's probably like the most popular USB microphone in the world. On the other hand, I feel like if the SmallRig U60 performed a lot better, like incredibly better than the Blue Yeti, then I think it would have a chance. But considering that it doesn't sound quite as good as the Blue Yeti, and the price difference between the two is only $10, I think that's kind of where the problem lies. However, having said all that, do I think that it's a bad sounding microphone? No, I think it's actually a decent sounding microphone. However, I don't think that it outperforms the Blue Yeti. But anyways guys, like always, I would love to hear what you guys think down in the comments below. Do you agree with me? Do you disagree with me? Once again, I will have the links to both of these microphones down in the description below in case you would like to check those out for yourself. And if you did like this video or if it helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. If you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notifications button. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.